Hello there! Today I will show you my preferred way of processing e-waste. This is not a tutorial. Do not repeat anything shown in this video. E-waste, that is waste electrical and electronic equipment, contains a wide range of useful and critical materials. The purpose of my urban mining videos is to explore the chemistry and raise awareness. An industrial scale process would be much more effective and environmentally friendly than your typical small garage operation. It is a sad fact that less than a third of e-waste is properly recycled. The rest is buried in landfills or shipped to third world countries. Today I will show you how I go from electronic devices to components ready for chemical extraction. Electronics that can't be sold, repaired or upcycled are disassembled. Steel, aluminum, plastic and copper cables are separated. Likewise, big capacitors, transformers and relays are removed. Once circuit boards are removed from the devices, I depopulate them with a heat gun. To do this safely, good ventilation, protective gloves and safety glasses are required. Another thing that needs to be done before you start to melt solder is removal of electrolytic capacitors. Otherwise, the electrolyte in them will boil and the capacitors will pop and take off like a small rocket. Besides the hot air gun and safety equipment, other tools that come in handy are pliers, tweezers, and something to scrape off the surface mount components. A flathead screwdriver does just fine. As for the working surface, I use a metal tray. After removing the components, I take the depopulated boards to an e-waste container. They still contain copper and tin that I cannot extract in an efficient or profitable manner. Then I separate the components by type and metals they contain. Aluminium heatsinks and copper-containing transformers and inductors are easy to recognize. Then come gold-plated connectors and chips and transistors that contain gold in the form of a thin wire. Same wire can be seen in LEDs. LEDs and transistors also contain some silver. Many bigger transistors also have a small copper heatsink. Now on the components that contain silver. Almost all types of switches and many varistors have at least a small amount of silver in them. Another good source of silver are ceramic capacitors. They also contain some palladium. Crystal oscillators and some electrical fuses contain a small amount of silver. A special case are tantalum capacitors, which are known for high silver content. I have also heard that tantalum oxide containing insoluble material that is left after refining can be sold, although I have never attempted to do so and cannot provide any more details. Lastly, I also collect solder. When I'll collect enough of it, I plan to separate the tin and lead from it and test what remains for presence of silver. What remains after picking out bigger components is a mix of resistors, capacitors, and other miscellaneous components that gets processed together. If you wish to see how I extract precious metals from electronic components, go watch some of my other videos on my channel. I have plenty videos on silver and palladium, and I plan to post some on gold soon. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and good luck whatever you're doing.